Dallas police shoot armed suspect after stolen pickup truck rams cruisers. The following month, on July 25, 2024, Dallas police discovered a stolen GMC truck at an apartment complex. When officers arrived, driver Damon Price, 21, attempted to flee and rammed into patrol cars. 3 suspects, including Deante Moore, 19, and Eric Lampkin Scarborough, 17, exited the truck, with Lampkin Scarborough carrying a modified gun.
Oh shit, that's a ram. Black. Oh shit! God damn it! You good? Get up! Close the gun! Fucking shit! 111, 110.
Police fatally shoot abducted teen as she was following instructions to move toward a deputy. On September 27, 2022, Savannah Graziano, 15, was abducted by her father, Anthony Graziano, after he murdered his wife. After a chase, Graziano fired at officers. When the vehicle stopped, Savannah stepped out unarmed but was fatally shot by police. Anthony Graziano was also killed at the scene, and multiple weapons were found in the vehicle.
Say again. Go on.
CHP 30 closing southbound 395 at Joshua.
Pick it up, Dave. Pick it up. Units 42. Just be advised the traffic's coming to a dead stop up here. There's going to be way too much backdrop for us to engage if he does end up exiting and making contact with you guys. If he gets in the desert. Hey, Bolt 22, I got y'all. He's leaving and then traffic actively firing. Alright, Dave, he just pulls off. He's making a U-turn. Left orbit.
He's exiting at main, but he's using the on-ramp to exit and go the wrong way.
Watch these deputies. Hey, deputies, he's coming right at you on the exit. Hey, you guys, he's going to lose control here as he goes up that embankment. Do we have units on Bear Valley? He's stalling out. Alright, dude, I'm keeping 140, dude. Everybody's on the right one. Let me know when no clear to open door. Chuck.
Passenger, get out! Passenger, get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Passenger, get out! Get out! Here! Hey! Come here! Come to me! Come to me! Come to me! Come to me! Come! Walk! Hey! Stop shooting her! He's in the car! Stop! She's okay! He's in the car! Stop!
Alright, we have no movement. Stand by. Watch your crossfire. Gentlemen, watch your crossfire.
Yeah, man, in the day before, I got traffic stop.
Crossfire, guys.
Traffic stop just north of Main. Information crossfire, be aware. SDS is advising crossfire, be aware.
Yeah, and AT, we got multiple units stop traffic behind us.
Multiple units approaching vehicle. I can cover.
Southbound, north of Main Street, stop traffic. Out with the Juvia, you see code 4, is she hit at all?
That one went down.
That's the Juvia.
SDS is advising no movement inside of the vehicle. Information is advising no movement inside the vehicle. What's the best 20?
Southbound, south of Main.
15 on the freeway.
Unit 5, go ahead and partners. We have one with no gunshot wound.
15 and 8.
Me and Argentina. Southbound.
I copy Main and I 50.
1252, I'll give you a run break northbound, northbound at Joshua.
Front of a break northbound at Joshua.
If we can have meds come from the main on-ramp for the Juve.
4-2-197 at determination.
Hey, units on the ground, what's the extent of her injury?
I'm getting reports of shots fired. It's going to be related to this suspect contact that they're on right now. But they're trying to get urgent care at Main in the 15.
Alright, we have air
Looks like
rescue in
everybody's
around.
safe inside. Do you want me to do
If
that into
somebody
the rest of
calm down and just tell us the extent of her injury so it comes out clear.
Gunshot wound, I'm assuming.
Airport 22, female has a chest wound for attempting life-saving procedures.
Poor thing.
Suspect is down and 44. We're working on the female. All deputies appear to be code 4.
You're being advised, 15 is their code 4, and suspect is down.
17 Sam 1, I copy.
Copy. Code 4 suspect is down. Code 4.
Continuing straight. Alright, only one person.
Jake Rose, if you get a medic, I'll find out. I can jump off.
Talk me in, dude. You're still good. You're still good. Talk me in.
You're straight, clear straight down. Come straight down, brother. All good, all day. You're good, dude. No, hold on.
Team 4, Station 4,
My gosh, what do you guys want? Go ahead.
Primary. You guys cannot transport her. 307's en route, or she needs to go by ambulance. Copy.
Alright, ground units 40 King 4, we're not clear to transport. We're either ALS or BOS. Air rescue is en route. Your guys' decision on the ground, whether she goes by
111, 110.
LAPD patrol car collides with civilian vehicle during Code 3 response. Earlier, on June 23, 2024, Los Angeles police were responding to a call about an armed man when a patrol unit collided with a Toyota Corolla at the intersection of Adams Boulevard and Gramercy Place. The driver of the Corolla, Regino Orea Jr., was seriously injured and placed in a medically induced coma, but is expected to survive.
Adams and Gramercy.
Okay?
Yeah, we're good.
Somebody okay?
We're good. Stop.
Hospital patient steals ambulance and leads police on wild chase. Ladarius Williams, 27, stole an ambulance from Piedmont Henry Hospital, leading to a lengthy chase across multiple jurisdictions. After intentionally crashing into multiple vehicles and ignoring police, Williams was stopped when police deflated the ambulance's tires and used a PIT maneuver, causing it to crash into a utility pole. Williams tried to flee on foot but was arrested after a short chase. The incident occurred on April 17, 2024.
Red light, he's stuck in traffic right now.
I got that APD got a Durango that's fit certified. Got one of got a spinning.
Stationary at the light, we are continuing southbound here if he makes it through these vehicles.
Running to the south end on Jonesboro, that's past Commerce.
Alright, still southbound on Jonesboro.
Cool. I authorized him to put it.
Alright, Phoenix, y'all have light traffic up ahead. Still southbound Main, crossing over Chestnut.
Yes, 3 units. Yes, 3 units in one car. Get someone in the stop position in the passenger seat. Right, and the other side is the vehicle.
He gave me green light. Oh, car coming up. Let's go. Thank you. Right now, I'm gonna wait till a good. Hold on, Sneak, hold on.
I'm almost there in the drawing here.
Right, stationary at South Avenue and Cloud, continuing westbound over Cloud.
110, give the APD. They're gonna tear the SUV. You're gonna tear your shit up.
Alright, right turn from South Avenue onto Evan View. Slow speeds right now. Dead end, there's a dead end up ahead. There's a cul-de-sac up ahead, he has nowhere to go. Cul-de-sac up ahead, he has nowhere to go.
Alright, let's ride. We finna play now. Hey, watch him. Be on gun. Watch him. Yeah. Watch him. No.
Southbound lane. Heavy traffic over here. Yeah, I'm finna ramble. Watch out. Alright, hit me, Brian.
1050 with a light pole. Terra Boulevard and Robert E. Lee. He is getting out black male dreads, blue pants, yellow socks, running southbound. Black male dreads, blue pants, 1095. 1043.